Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the presentation and defining scope. Choose a template that matches your audience and slide ratio. Once done, name the file and save it to iCloud or local drive so you can revert. Make sure to import key assets now, drag images, paste text, or add charts from numbers. This initial setup prevents layout rework later and gives you a consistent canvas to build on. Next, focus on structure. Apply a master to maintain consistent styling, then add and reorder slides to create a logical flow. You should group related objects, use alignment guides, and enable the grid for precise placement because visual consistency matters. Once layout is set, add transitions and build orders for elements to appear in sequence. Preview frequently by pressing play to check timing and make incremental tweaks for clarity and engagement. To finish, export your deck in the required format, PDF for handouts, PowerPoint for sharing, or a movie for kiosk playback, and confirm fonts and media are embedded. Run rehearse to lock timings and test the file on the target display to catch aspect ratio or codec issues. If something breaks, one key tip: embed fonts and relink media. If slides still misbehave, restart Keynote and recreate the affected slide. It often clears cached render problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.